Welcome to this tutorial on how to transfer from ETH to USDT in 2025. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of converting your Ethereum to Tether USD. First, you need to have an account on a cryptocurrency exchange that supports both ETH and USDT, such as Binance or Kraken. If you do not have an account, sign up and complete the verification process. Next, deposit your ETH into the exchange. This can be done by going to the Deposits section and selecting ETH. You will be given a unique deposit address. Send your ETH to this address. Once your ETH is deposited, go to the trading section of the exchange and select the ETH USDT trading pair. You can then enter the amount of ETH you want to convert to USDT. It is essential to check the current market price and fees before making the transfer. You can do this by looking at the order book and the fee schedule on the exchange. After entering the amount, confirm the transaction and wait for it to be processed. This may take a few minutes, depending on the exchange and the network congestion. When the transaction is complete, your USDT will be available in your account, and you can withdraw it to your wallet or use it for trading. It is crucial to keep in mind that cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. So make sure to double-check the recipient address and the amount before confirming the transaction. Additionally, be aware of the market volatility and the potential risks involved in cryptocurrency trading. It is recommended to only invest what you can afford to lose and to do your own research before making any investment decisions. By following these steps, you can easily transfer from ETH to USDT in 2025. Remember to always prioritize security and do your own research before making any investment decisions.